Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something called a dough bucket. Now, yesterday we talked about making pasta and stuff. Well, this is what you can make that pasta dough in first. All right. So, how am I going to do this? I got several pictures I want to show you. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to show you first here. All right, let me go to this one here. All right, so the KitchenAid commercial blender. This is an 8-quart mixer, and it has the nice big dough hook in it. But hey, it's almost $800. And what did you do? The power's out. Well, let's go up to the dough. What the other thing that Amazon has? It's called the dough bucket, easy dough hand crank one. And so that's what's inside of the plastic bucket, and it's $54. Do these work? Well, this is a rebirth of something that was called the Herco Dough Girl bread mixer. These things here. And when I was growing up back in 1973, 74, 75, 70, we had this, and this is what we used to make bread with. Let me see now. So there it is. Big one has this little cage it sat in, had suction cups on it. But generally, my brother and I, we would just take this bucket, put it between our legs. The lid locks on, and let's see, there we go. That has the dough hook inside of it, and we'd crank away and make a couple batches of dough at one time, and then we would bake out cinnamon rolls, cinnamon bread, regular sandwich bread. Do a lot of baking with it, and it was great. It was easy. And it's something we didn't mind doing as kids. I know that sounds weird. Teenagers not minding just sitting there cranking away because, hey, we knew we were going to get cinnamon bread out of it. So think about your different options of making dough for your pasta bread or your pasta dough for your spaghettis and noodles and stuff, or bread or cinnamon rolls or pizza dough. Whatever it is, think of different ways. If you're going to be making a lot of it, or if you're busy and you got kids around, how you can put them to work cranking away at it where they don't get too complaining and they actually make the stuff because they know they're going to get something good out of it. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, kitchen tools. Why? Well, this is why.